Struggling to make money on the online space? I guess you've looked out for many opportunities and many gateways to make money on the online space, but I still don't work out. I'd like to share with you one particular strategy to use in order to make money or earn some few bucks on the online space, especially when you are in Ghana. It's very easy and stress-free. Let me introduce you to affiliate marketing. For those who don't know affiliate marketing basically means selling a company's product or service for a commission. Simple as that. So guys, I'd like us to watch this video with regards to affiliate marketing, after which I'll come here to tell you how to start affiliate marketing in Ghana with respective to a particular brand, a particular company, which helps you get from 25 cedis to 50 cedis per customer. Let's watch the video.
This is an affiliate. We'll call him Mike. This is a company, and this is a consumer. Mike needs to make more money. The company needs to sell more products to consumers. And to get help selling more products, the company brings on Mike as an affiliate. The company will pay Mike a commission for every sale he makes. Basically, Mike is the middleman between the company and consumers. Mike works independently as an affiliate, so he has no boss. He's basically his own boss.
After watching the video, we could tell the main basis of affiliate marketing. Basically, you, the customer, or you as an affiliate marketer standing in between the company and the consumer. You are your own boss. So what does it mean? And what company do I want to refer you to? It's simple and short. I hope you've heard of this company. They've been into existence in the past 5 years now and counting. This is Alat Services. What do Alat Services do? They have so many services they offer or provide, ranging from birth cert, passport, affidavits, gazette, travel documents, and what have you. They also have PayPal services, gift card redeem services, a whole lot, just to mention a few. I'll list all the services they provide in the description so that you can just go through, analyze the service you think you can provide or you can market as an affiliate marketer and earn a commission on that. So guys, basically, all what you have to do as an affiliate marketer with Alat Services is just take their number, their WhatsApp number, which I'm going to leave in the description, and I'll leave it right here on the screen so that you can just take it and chat to them. When you WhatsApp them, they are going to send you the prices, okay? Their prices for maybe birth certs, passports, affidavits, what have you. And they also send you the commission you get when you refer someone, okay? So when a person sign up for maybe the express package, you get higher commission. When the person sign up for the standard, you get a lower commission. But it's all worth it. This is stress-free. And one thing as an affiliate marketer, even if you don't want to do affiliate marketing, but you want to earn few bucks online for your data analysis in order to you to sort your data issues, okay? Because data is very expensive now. Okay, all you have to do is just post on your status. Post on your WhatsApp status. And you know, WhatsApp is made in such a way that those people who can view your status are people who have your contact list. Okay, so when you post on your WhatsApp status, those who are having contact list automatically have trust with you. They trust you. So when you take the order, you just go to this Alat Services company and you ship the order to them, and they'll just do it for you, and you get your cut from it. And if you're a genius, if you're a businessman, you can even add some of the prices to it if you feel, because their prices are very low. Honestly, their prices are very low, and they deliver to expectation. Guys, delivery rate is 100% key, like 99.999999999. I won't sit here and lie. Okay, the only delay in delivery is when there are maybe issues surrounding the whole order, maybe from government perspective, where it is uncontrollable. So guys, what are you waiting for? All you have to do is just pick their numbers, tag them on WhatsApp, let them know or ask them of the services they provide and which of the services you feel is more suitable for you to market as an affiliate marketer, and you are going to earn few bucks from it. These are screenshots from people who have earned commissions from Alat Services. Okay, you can see over here 25 cedis, 30 cedis, and other stuff. Others are earning 50 cedis, others are earning 100 cedis per referral. What are you sitting there waiting for? It's 2024. You don't want to lose guard. Any opportunity that comes online, any opportunity that comes on hand, just take it. In my next video, kindly stay tuned. In my next video, I'll be teaching you how to get more leads or customers on your what, on your product or services, whether you're a whether you're a product, whether you're a customer, whether you're a businessman. I'm just going to teach you how to what, generate traffic on your products and services for free. Okay, so kindly subscribe to the YouTube button, turn on the bell notification so that each and every time I upload a video like this, you get a notification. Until then, I hope to see you in my next video.